Have the following items ready before connecting the brake hose: copper sleeve, screw, rubber protective sleeve, 8 mm O-bin wrench, Phillips screwdriver, 6 mm wrench. Loosen the small screw on the hose fitting with a Phillips screwdriver. Please be careful. The brake hose is filled with oil. Not to shake the brake hose to avoid oil spilling out. Put the rubber protective sleeve into the brake hose. And put the screw into the brake hose. And put the copper sleeve into the brake hose. Rotate the 6 mm wrench to open the seal on the brake lever. Please be careful. The brake lever is filled with oil. Not to press the brake lever to avoid oil spilling out. Then insert the brake hose into the brake lever. At this point, pay attention to inserting the brake hose into the bottom of the brake lever. And keep the state of the brake hose inserted into the bottom of the brake lever by hand. Tighten the connecting screw by hand. Tighten further with an 8 mm O-bin wrench. And tighten a few more turns to ensure a good seal. Place the rubber protective sleeve on the screw.